Hold on.
This strap go up here. Huh?
Hello.
Hello, governor.
Hold on.
Say hello to
My
YouTube.
YouTube sounds so much better.
You know what? Shut up, alright?
Holy.
Still needs to be more. Yeah.
Straps would be up there.
No, it has to be right here.
Yeah, well.
Now you guys gotta get the strap up there.
Oh, what the?
Hey, hey.
Go on.
Ow! There you go, there you go.
Right. Can you videotape that?
Like I said, I could.
Where's your bag?
It's called progress.
Straight shit.
Right here.
Oh, the straps would be. Oh, yeah, slide it in there.
No, really? That's what we've been saying? Okay, so it's right here. Right here. Right here. Right there! Right there! Alex! What? I like all the other drops.
No, it's not. I have to strap. Straps to reach up here.
Yeah. It's not in there, right? That's why.
Oh.
How many more times am I gonna hit my head today? I'm gonna go stupid.
Brush my finger. While you're going like that. What the heck is that bolt gonna do?
What bolt?
Yeah, right. It's like 4 times bigger than the
Not the triangle. This one right here.
Oh. Like that?
Yep.
Try and see that in between your buttons. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about that.
There you go.
Ink.
Want a ratchet? Really?
A little bit bigger than that.
11 or 12?